Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So there's a new November update on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. And as you know that these are some last days of November and I just got a new update. To update it, you just have to go to your settings and from here you have to scroll down and select this software update. After selecting software update, you just have to simply click on download and install. From here you will get to see this new update available. This new update also includes some features of the auto blocker, but mainly this is our November security patch 2024 update. Talking about the update size, so it is 447.10 in MBs and it is of November 1st 2024 security patch level. It includes some device stability improvements, bug fixes, new or enhanced features, and further improvement to your performance. To install this update, you just have to simply click on download, and after downloading this update, you just have to simply click on install now and the update will be installed on your device. This is how you can get this November security patch update on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. There are some new updates also available in the Samsung Galaxy Store app. For here, you just have to simply go to the updates option, and as you can see, there are some new updates available. First of all, we have this Samsung Studio, then we have this Samsung Cloud, Quick Steer Agent, Parental Control, Samsung Intelligence Voice. There are some these new updates available. To update them all, you just have to simply click on update all and all of these apps will be updated. Now let's talk about this Samsung Studio app. You can access this Samsung Studio app by simply going into your gallery app and clicking on these three dots. In the Samsung Studio app, you can start a new project or edit your existing project. This is a quick editor provided by Samsung. It also has some great transitions and some great music that will allow you to edit your footage directly from your device without using some third-party apps. As you can see, there are some great transitions available. Also, you can add some text, stickers, or you can even add some music with it. There are also some free soundtracks available that you can download directly from here and select them on your movie. So this is really good feature if you want to edit anything directly from your phone without downloading any other app. Do let me know in the comment section that did you knew about this Samsung Studio or not. And that's all right for today's video. This was a quick video to tell you about this November security patch update on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and some details regarding the Samsung Studio. If you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe as I will keep you updated with the new updates.